we're seeing something really interesting in manufacturing right now as we're moving past the factory floor and instead focusing on direct customer engagement. Customers are no longer wanting this old school traditional B2B experience they've had. They're wanting something that's new, something that's fresh, something that's personalized. They're wanting to be able to do their own research. They're wanting to be able to have self-serve models. They're wanting as much as the B2B transaction to look like B2C as possible, but they also want to have their own fingers in it, if you will. They want to be able to customize and configure to what they're really hoping for. This is demanding that the manufacturers move away from just being inventors, becoming storytellers, becoming partners with these brands. This is a really interesting shift, because manufacturers are realizing that they can't just keep the same old, same old. They need to digitally transform. And this is creating new sales channels or adjusting sales channels. This is cutting through traditional distribution networks and realizing that something needs to change. And the manufacturers that are the ones that are going to stay ahead are the ones that realize this isn't just a temporary thing that's happening right now. This is an actual cultural shift, and it's permanent.